Dear madam, say hello to my speciality, sweet meat lasagna.
Ooh, the fancy. Let us enjoy this adult-style meal in the style of the adults.
Check me out, using a napkin.
And I am using the utensils.
Lovely.
This is edamame, with a fine chocolate cherry reduction.
Edamame is my favorite.
Excellent. Here, refresh your palate with this fizzy water.
I do enjoy the fizzy water.
Don't ask how it got fizzy.
How did it get fizzy?
I said not to ask.
Adult! Booyah! Want more Teen Titans Go videos? Well, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe now!